So anyway, business phone is the new phone. Okay, so Windows 7, Windows 10, and I've got, come on focus, I've got a load of stuff on here, so I thought, well, maybe the 7's like, I only put it on a few months back and it's just for fun. And I thought, I've got 1 terabyte hard drive on this, Ivy Bridge, 6 gig of memory, and Windows 10 is LTSB, which is like going out of date. So I thought maybe do Windows 10 LTSC on it. I'm gonna do 7. Oh, it's a bit messed up. Windows 7. Maybe put Windows 7 on again at some point, but I could get rid of 10. We've got about 300 gig of data on there. I don't want to lose a bunch of backups, so I could do maybe a 3rd partition even. I don't know. Takes a minute, but oh, it has speakers in it, this monitor. Is it yes. This phone picks up the scanning rate of LCD, which is really annoying. Give it a minute. Windows 7 Professional. Works okay. I was using a virtual machine. What I was doing on this was I stuck Linux on a virtual machine. I'm not against Linux. I'm more Windows driven. I've got Windows 11 LTSC. I've got Windows 10 LTSB. I've just got LTSC IOT on a laptop. Is it? When was that then? Maybe I pulled a plug on it a few days back. He's really struggling with this. Really? Why is this? Oh, it's blue screen. Really? My phone's being stupid and this has crashed. Ugh, it's very slow. This is a Motorola. Bought it about 2 months ago. I needed to get into my accounts and stuff. My other old Windows phone. That thing comes straight on. This takes a minute and a half to get going, like this stupid computer. Right, that's gone and crashed. That has. I actually had an old school blue screen there. Bloody hell! I know I should have gone. Let's go save. Ugh. I want to do Windows normally, sir. What's the matter with this? Let's try save. Oh dear, oh man alive, really. I didn't think it was going to do this. I had this Motorola phone, it's not very good. It has 8 cores on it apparently, 128 gig of RAM, of storage, and then 4 gig of RAM, and it's like functional. But it's really slow. Oh god, this stupid... It's giving me... What's it doing? Oh, I had a bunch of virtual machines on here. Ivy Bridge, come on, we need to have a word with ourselves here. I need to just try a bit harder, Ivy Bridge, because the younger of the Bridge sisters, Sandy being the elder. Curbside find, what do I expect from the curbside find, really? Oh, it's crashing. Driver not less or equal. Oh, bit. 10. I can get into it. Boo, Windows 10. I had a couple of virtual machines. I had Oracle VirtualBox. I had. What do you matter with it? Fun video. Making a video about something that doesn't work. Well, I was going to show Windows 7 before it decided to not want to work. That 64-bit professional that was. I've got about 300 gig of stuff on it I don't want to lose, so I'm thinking, well, this is LTSB, I could put LTSC on another partition, copy stuff over, and then, because I've got some stuff I want to keep on there, and then erase that partition, recreate it, and put Windows 10 LTSC. Windows 10. It's a i5 quad core. It's an overclocker with 3570K. Yeah, it's overclockable. I forgot. This is an MSI motherboard with a Zalman gaming case. It's technically a gaming rig from 2013, I think. The old school hard drive on it. Yeah. We've got 2 partitions. It's about 1 terabyte, so it's about 800 gig, and then you die after formatting. So yesterday I used Rufus and I put the IoT LTSC ISO onto that USB stick, and that worked quite well. If you know where to go on the internet, you can find ISOs quite easily. It depends where you go. I went to the site that has the 2 Roman columns as its logo. You know, the one where the archive is for the internet. Windows 7. I want to see if I can troubleshoot that, even though it's a complete waste of time. I bought that one back in 2006, Windows XP Pro. Windows Home XP Pro. Paid for that. I paid Microsoft money. Oh my god. Dodgy stuff. Some of my dodgy copies. I've got it here. I think it's this. That one, that server. That's, no, it's that one. I'll put that one in there. See if I can troubleshoot this thing. I've been looking online, so it's like it's a faulty drive or something. Shove it in there, good sir. I like a challenge. I've copied over what I wanted to copy over, so still getting just this phone. This thing went really laggy. It's like rubbish. This phone's terrible. I'm going to reboot. Can't remember if this thing's going to run on this. When it reboots. Bloody massive rig this thing is. It's a bloody massive rig. Oh. Yeah, go with that. No. Save changes and reboot. Yes, I wish to save it. I wish to boot it up and see what happens. Yes, that one. See if we can fix it. No, that says Windows. What's it doing? Oh man, what's it doing that? Apparently that booted in. I thought it was Windows 10 or something, but it wasn't working. Got this thing here. It says repair your computer. I'm gonna start again on this. What am I doing wrong here? Right, next. I want to repair, right? Maybe it can't repair it. Troubleshoot. I'm an idiot, maybe. Okay. Advanced options. Start repair. And there's not really startup that's wrong with it. So I'd have to put my other machine on to system image recovery. I don't think I've got an image for it. It'll come up and tell me something's not right with it. If there was a restore point on it and it could go back to it, it might fix it. I must want to see if I can actually fix it, because please wait while we waste 5 hours of your life. Come on. No restore points were found. Okay. Troubleshoot. Diagnose. Diagnostics recovery toolset. Windows 7. This is the thing. It needs a scan, doesn't it? I think I read something on that it would. Let's try doing that. This is what is known as SAS. And I'm getting sassed by Windows 7 repair utility. No corrupt files. How could there be no corrupt? It's not really that there's anything wrong with the. I'll try that. Maybe that. Oh, damn it. Store master boot record of header of guide partition save. We'll try that. Might be that's. I don't know, because it seems like it's a. I don't know what. Yes. It's not. It's a driver problem, right? We're using the registry. I don't know what I'm fiddling around with that for. We're going to try this. I guess it doesn't really. Let's try that. 9.31 gigabyte. That's that little. Okay. Don't think it's going to make any difference though. So there's nothing wrong with it. Alright, tried last good configuration. I've not actually tried that from the startup options, so seems like it's got a major problem. I don't know, it's something's not right with that. I could try and reinstall it, but I don't really want to reinstall it necessarily. It's just annoying. It's like a. It keeps trying to install something. It's trying to install something. No, there it is again. What a little pig. It says VBox mouse.sys. VBox mouse errors. So I'm thinking going into Windows 7. Going into Windows 7 and then deleting VBox. Where was it? Just delete that. And then you've got VBox. Delete that. And then VBox service. Delete that. And I was probably quite happy to see the back of VBox. This is on the other thing. It might cause it to have an issue. But maybe the problem is mostly to do with VirtualBox. But I've deleted some bits there to do with that mouse thing, as it did mention it on the blue screen itself. I was in System 32. What if I VBox here? What if it's here? VBox, here we are. I'm just going to delete these. It doesn't like any of these. I'm just going to pull them off of here. It's might be a really. I'm going to delete this whole partition anyway, so it doesn't matter. Right, let's see if we can boot back into that then. Let's restart. It's just more of it's a challenge. I've had this problem before. I think it's to do with VirtualBox. Get difference? I don't know. It's doing it there. So what is it doing? Mouse is being an idiot. This mouse is not working. My mouse is not working. No, my mouse is not working. Is that what that was? Are you telling me that was? My mouse isn't working now. With the keyboard here, it's not crashing. It was the mouse then. Control panel. Yeah, we're getting. So it was the mouse that was giving that. There you go with this key here. Tab this tab key, and you go up and down the bloody thing mouse to go to where is the system. Device manager. I've deleted some stuff to stop it crashing, and now it's not crashing, but I can't use the fucking mouse. Here we are, it says the mouse. Alright, I worked it out while looking in on the internet. It says it's not. This is even. My mouse is not. I took something out of System 32. Says it can't do it though. Why don't I try? Says it can't find it, can't add it. Right, so between Windows, Alt Tab. No. Oh, I see what it's doing there. No, no, no. No, no, no. I want that one, but I want the other one. Right. Go into that. No, not that one. That one. I need to go. I need to do this now. No, what are you doing? Damn it. How do I get it to do this? Right, okay. Update driver. No, it's just this bullshit. Right, I booted back in and I've got the restore points up here, and I don't know what ones I made way back, I don't know. So going for the most recent one, device driver package install, we've got the most recent was the 15th of the 6th. That's only last month, just a month ago. So I wonder if I redo that one, it will work. But it may not. I can't go older. I could do that, but to see if it'll do it, because nothing else is working. I did manage to stop it crashing, but I've removed some of the mouse control stuff on there from the System 32 folder. So I'm like, I've got another Windows 7 system that I can, but it's all in the corner and I can't bother to get it out. Okay, it's just finished. It was only about literally 2-3 minutes. So this was about a month ago. I did this restore point. I did install VirtualBox and I put Linux on it. I don't know if it's gonna. This might trigger the reboot, the blue screen again.
And it should fix it, because if this was pre the problem, then it should put it back. The problem was before that it kept blue screening, so I couldn't work back. If this brings back the blue screen.
That's a bit of a nasty problem. I've had that before and I don't even know what the hell it's even doing that. Tell me it couldn't be. It didn't say it hasn't been able to do it, but normally it would just say, no? It would say Windows has failed to restore it. Seems the further you get away from 2009 era hardware, the more issues this gets. I mean, this is only an Ivy bridge, but that's like 4 years later. 5 years nearly. Let's see if this mouse works. Yes, my mouse works. Bet it blue screens. Bet it blue screens. Bet it blue screens. Yes, that was only a month ago then, from today, which is the... Oops. Yeah, 18th today. So that's only about a month ago. Now, has it still got my... Please don't play the screen. Alright, so... This is before I... So I've probably lost... I probably lost the virtual box that I had, which doesn't really matter because it was just, I think, no I haven't, hold on. 2.5 hours I've been on this bloody thing, so I was going to install LTSC on it, but is that not a thing anymore? Oh, there it is. No, I've got it, it's still there. And we can go to Oracle. Let's power on Oracle. Does it still work? It might not work after that. Here it is, here it is, here it is. If you've never seen Oracle Linux, assuming it still works. There it is, get rid of that. It's been a bit funny with that. Oracle Linux. I wanted to see it. It was a massive ISO. It's like, oh, there it is. Oracle, one with the funny logo on it. There it is. What was my password? I don't know what my password was. Was it hello? No. Alright then. My secret password. Desktops or something. Workspaces. This is what is known as GNOME, which I'm not familiar with, to be honest. I used to play around with Knoppix back in 2006 on a Pentium 4, early Pentium 4. I used to buy Linux and User Developer magazine, and I used to get the cover discs and used to get like Parted Magic, Mint, stuff like that. And I used to play around with that on really old computers, almost 20 years ago now. So I don't want this. If I fiddle with this bloody phone, it turns the recorder off. So you get, I had to put extensions on this. There we are. And it didn't give me a home folder and a wastebasket, and there was it's got this funny thing here. What happened to the, oh yeah, it's up here at the top. Is it at the top? Yeah, you get this. You have to add extensions to this to get this normal ordinary stuff that you get, the technically a start menu, I suppose. It's very basic, you can't really do much with it. It's not really moddable. It's not like KDE or even XFC. It's very, very, very basic on here. So I just wanted to see what Oracle was all about, because it has the enterprise type thing going on. So even though I'm surrounded by Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 7, I do actually dabble in Linux on occasion, mostly on virtual machines. Utilities, picture viewers, calculators, Oracle Linux. It's like evil in its own right. Hang on, my mouse is funny. 1 equals 2. It works. You've got fancy mode. Yeah, it's very basic, to be honest, but could we go online? It's not very fast with the virtual though. Quad core i5 Ivy Bridge 3rd gen. DDR3, PCI Express 3. I don't know if it's working on that. Well, processor doesn't need to have a problem with it. I'm asking to do 10 things at once, aren't I? What was the problem? I just want to see what it's doing on here. Let's have a look. What's it doing? What's it doing there? Oh, Josh. Oh, it is doing something. Hold on. Oh. There it is. Got 2 resource monitors. Just here it is. This is working. This is weird. Let's go to the Oracle Linux blog. Here we are. It's a bit slow because it's virtual. So going through 2G as well, not 5G. Doing it's a bit. My hard drive's doing all right. It's a hard drive, not an NVMe. It's a bit slow. There we are. Oh, what's it doing? It's doing something stupid. Here we are. Oracle Linux 9 is the next generation enterprise operating system designed to meet the needs of the hybrid cloud environment. Oh my god, it's so amazing. Sir. No, it didn't like that, does it? Oh man. What are you doing to my hard drive, Oracle? What are you doing? But yeah. It's not eating all the memory, I don't think. My processor's not doing all bad. Not really CPU intensive, it's more it takes a lot of memory. Oops, it's doing something there. Here we are. Terribly slow, but I might chat with anyone. So if you're an Oracle Linux aficionado, you'll know all about this, which I'm not. I'm Windows 10 LTSB, LTSC, and Windows 11 LTSC. I won't say I'm an aficionado or anything, but fingers in the way of that. Okay, so yeah, that's the help page. If you want to call it help, it's more technical manual